All right, folks, welcome to 90.9 the quadratic for your Algebra 2 test review answers here. I gave you about a third of the answers on the test. Guys, on number first page, you're going to have 6 like this on your pre-test and actual test on Thursday. Number 3, notice that base is less than 1, so it's decay. You do 1 minus 0.885. You're left with 0.115. If you multiply that by 100 or move the decimal over twice, you get 11.5%. Here at number 4, you have growth. What is left over? That 0.105. You make that into your percentage, move that over twice, 10.5% growth. Here's your answer for 8. What is left over? 0.0225. Move the decimal over twice, 2.5% growth. And here on 12, it's decay. That base is less than 1. 1 minus that gives you 0.0775. Move the decimal over twice, 7.75%. You have 6 of these on your test. They should be very easy, guys. On the next page, it gave you 19 through 21. You would try to get the same base. Notice in the directions it doesn't say round to any tenth or hundredth. So 9 and 27 can be made into base 3. 9 is 3 squared. 27 is 3 to the third. When you have a power to a power, you multiply the powers as I show you there. When the bases are the same, set the powers equal to each other. That's what you get for x. Guys, if 125 is 5 to the third, 1 over 125 is 5 to the negative third. So set the exponents equal to each other. X is negative 8. 21 might be one of the hardest ones, just like 19 there. Get 27 to be base 3. 3 to the third, power to a power. You multiply the powers. When the bases are equal, set the exponents equal to each other. You get x is 1. Pause this whenever you need to. It's going to be relatively quick, guys. These should be very easy, right? Each exponential has a log. If the base is 5, it's log base 5 of the answer 125 equals the exponent 3. 24 log base 7 of the answer 49 is 2. 27 log base 8 of the answer 2 is 1/3. This next one, write each log equation in exponential form. 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 is the base, 5 is the exponent, 32 is the answer. On 30, 25 is the base, 1/2 is the exponent, 5 is the answer. 31, 7 is the base, negative 2 is the exponent, 1 over 49 is the answer. Guys, these are easy to check because you should get true statements. 27 is the base, 1/3 is the exponent, 3 is the answer. Evaluate each log, guys. You can either do change of base, like log 8 divided by log 2. That can give you a quick answer. Or you can write these all equal x. 2 to the x equals 8. All right, so again, you could do 4 to the x equals 8. You got to write it as an exponential. That takes a little, or you got to get the same base. That takes a little bit of time. Or you can do log of 8 over log of the base 4. Type it in the old calc, all right? 38, again, you could do 49 to the x gives you 7. Get the same base. All right, get 1/2, or you can do log 7 divided by log 49. This one you could do log of 1 over 16, keep that all in parentheses, divided by log of 2. Or you could do 2 to what power gives you 1 over 16. If 2 to the 4th gives you 16, 2 to the negative 4th gives you 1 over 16. No matter how you do it, you get those answers. All right, here on the next page, guys, get these all to be exponential. 3 is the base, 4 is the exponent, x is the answer. 2 is the base, x is the exponent, 64 is the answer. 49 is the base, 1/2 is the exponent, x is the answer. 45, x is the base, 2 is the exponent, 25 is the answer. 49 here, x is the base, 3 is the exponent, 64 is the answer. 16 is the base, 1/2 is the exponent, x is the answer. This one right here, guys, 3 is the base, 2 is the exponent, x plus 4, 4 plus x is the answer. 11 is the base, 2 is the exponent, 7x minus 3 is the answer, so just solve those. Because on 56, addition in the log world means multiplication. You're going to take 4x and 8 because you have log base 3 on both of them. Multiply them together. 4x times 8 is 32x. Log base 3 of 32x equals log base 3 of 32. 32x must be set equal to 32 if you have the same log and base. So x is 1. 57, subtraction in the log world means division, so it's going to be log base 2 of x over 5. X goes first, so it's the numerator. 5 is the denominator because it comes second, equals log base 2 of 37. That means you have x over 5 equals 37. Make 37 over 1, cross multiply, get x is 185. It was nice and gave you the answer for the next 3. Again, you have subtraction, so you're going to have log base 4 of 51 divided by x equals log base 4 of 3. That means 51 over x must be equal to 3. 51 over x equals 3 over 1. Cross multiply. You get 51 is equal to 3x. X is 17. All right. 59 here, folks. Addition in the log world, that means multiplication. You have log base 3 of 5x equals log base 3 of 8. That means 5x must be equal to 8. X is 8 over 5, or 1.6. And lastly, I won't really give you one like this, but you will have one that is subtraction, so it could very much be like 59 or 58. Log base 2 of what goes first is x plus 1, that's in the numerator, over 3 is equal to log base 2 of 9. That means x plus 1 over 3 is equal to 9. Cross multiply, you get x plus 1 is 27, x is 26. We do have the change of base formula on 61 through 69. That's all that is. All right, so let's look at 64. It's going to be log of 59 divided by log of base. That subscript always goes at the bottom. The base always goes in the denominator. Just type that in. All right. Again, when you're typing it in, something like 68, make sure you do log 3 in parentheses divided by, log 4. Close them up. That's how you get your answer, 0.79. Close those parentheses up. There's your answer to 69. Again, that's a very easy section. Guys, on 70 through 75, if you have e to the x, the only way to get rid of e to the x is attach natural log to both sides. All right, do that again on 71. It's just that you're going to have x minus 1 is natural log 3. So hit natural log 3, hit enter, and then add 1 to it. All right, so on this one, you would subtract 4 first, then divide by 3. You get e to the x plus 4 is 3. Attach natural log to both sides. Get x plus 4 is natural log 3. So in your calc, you would hit the ln button right there. Natural log 3. It's hard to do here with one hand. Hit enter, and then you would subtract 4. Negative 2.90. Okay? No big deal there. Guys, when you have natural log x, the only way to get rid of it is attach e as the base. So you're going to have e to the natural log x minus 1 is equal to e to the third. X minus 1 is e to the third. So x would be e to the third plus 1. So here's how you get e, guys. On your calc, you hit second natural log. That's the e. Mine's a little different. The exponent's blinking. Type in 3. Yours is actually going to show the exponent. Hit enter, and just add 1 to it. Not 4. Add 1 to it. Again, sorry, I'm doing this with one hand. Add 1 to it, you get 21.09. All right, on 80, add 3 to both sides first. Then divide by 2. I'm dividing by 2 in this step. Attach e as the base. Then you have x plus 2 is e to the second. All right, so what you're going to do, again, you're going to hit seconds. Hit e, type in a 2, hit enter. That's e to the second. What do I need to do? I need to subtract 2. And you're just going to hit minus 2, enter. 5.39 is how that would round. Here's what you do on 4. Divide by 5 first. Natural log x minus 3 is 4. Attach e as the base. X minus 3 is e to the fourth. E to the fourth plus 3. You get your answer there. All right, 87, folks. Attach natural log to both sides. You're ready to go. This time you have 2x times, well, first off, guys, I skipped one. If you're solving for x here to the nearest hundredth, and you can't get the same base, you need to attach log or natural log, whatever you want. So we're going to use natural log here. Attach natural log on 82. All right, you're going to have natural log of 3 to the x. That x comes down as an exponent. You're going to divide both sides by natural log 3 and just type that in your calc. Natural log of 8, close the parentheses, hit enter, divided by natural log 3. You can type that in like this if you want. Just make sure you close the parentheses. All right, 1.89 is how it rounds. Let's take a look. Next one, all right, so attach natural log to both. When you divide by natural log 5, you're going to have natural log 31 divided by natural log 5. Hit enter. You get 2x is equal to 2.13-ish. And then divide by 2. That's how you get 1.07 it rounds to. Guys, on this one, attach natural log to both sides. All right, divide both sides by natural log 7. Natural log 61 divided by natural log 7 is 2.11. Add 3 to it. That's how you get your answer. Okay, this will be on your second page on your pretest and test, this next page right here. 5 means it was originally an exponent, so it's going to be 2 to the 5th, log of 2 to the 5th plus log 4. 2 to the 5th is 32. Guys, in the exponent and the log world, addition means multiplication. Take 32 times 4 to get log 1/28. Next one here, subtraction is division. You don't have anything on the outside, so it's simply log of 48 divided by 6, which is log of 8. Guys, here, put the exponent up first. So 7 to the second is 49, log of 49. 4 to the third is 64. Log of 49 minus log of 64 is log of 49 divided by 64. That's not a nice fraction. Leave it as it is. 97, choose the exponent. So 10 squared is 100. Natural log of 100 plus 2 goes up as the exponent. 5 squared is 25. 100 times 25 is 2,500. 2,500. Natural log of that number. Don't forget the natural log on the outside. All right, you do 3 is an exponent. 5 to the third gives you 125. No exponent there needed, so it's just plus natural log 2. 125 times 2 is 250. And this last one here, 2 to the 8th is 256. 4 to the 4th is 256. Division means, or subtraction means division. 256 divided by 256 is just log 1. And guys, if you put 1,500 in, and you will earn 9% yearly. 1.09 is the base. Raise it to the 25th, you get that answer. Just plug it in. If you grow by 3.75%, that's 1.0375 is the base. Do that for 20 years. Round down because we're talking about people here. And last one, we got 2 here. Shoes, $90 in 2007 when I graduated. 3% inflation means 1.03 is the base. You're going to raise it to the 10th 10 years later. $500,000 is deposited in an account, so that will get you 7.5% interest. That's 1.075 as the base. Raise it to the 15th, it's almost $1.5 million. Guys, this is 90.9, the Quadratic, signing out.